Great. The server is up and running. So let's try to test a couple of endpoints. So, for example, if I use Postman, I always try to include at least two endpoints that help me to check uh, if my project is up and running. So, for example, if I run this endpoint, it will check if my project is listening. Okay. Also, I have from my module, specifically in the BE setup, I'm always trying, of course, in development stage, I'm always trying to run a function like this in order to monitor any incoming requests. So as you can see, I got a JSON file. Okay, so let's go to, for example, let's check if my data layer is up and running. And in effect, the database is in listening mode. So let's go, for example, to check if how many roles are available. Okay, so as you can see, I have a couple of them. So let's get specific information, perhaps to the last record. All right, so I may delete this one. Okay, so let's go back again and let's see if I have a number 6 ID, and from here I can update, for example, the name. Okay, contractors POC. Okay, the request was successfully, and let's see if this time my number 6, I have to get a different name from this record, contractors POC. So in the project you will find this JSON file, so where you can test, for example, the endpoints available for users, and also in the product management you also can test the categories, products, variants, and collections endpoints. For each of them there is always a test available. So at this moment I don't test all the available endpoints, because the idea is to write my own unit tests, and of course the integration tests. It will be great, and for the developer, and of course for the client, to have a very comprehension of the how stable is this code. So, but perhaps for this occasion it might be enough. So any question or any comment, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.